got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe on my channel. I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation, mom motivation, and all things homemaking and decorating videos. And today we are tackling just kind of like a day in the life mom motivation. We are headed to work right now. We're gonna go to work for a little bit. I'll probably get myself a pop afterwards. I feel like that's how I treat myself. And then we'll come home, Waverly will take her nap, and then we're just going to tackle some house cleaning that needs to get done. I have a few different not really organization, but like just projects I want to get done. So tackle the day with me. What? Oh, you making a phone call? Tackle the day with me and let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and if you guys like today's video, if you guys want to see more of these, make sure you like the video and be subscribed so you don't miss any more of them. And now let's get started. Okay, we had a change of plans. I'm not actually cleaning today, which I'm slightly okay with just because it's Friday. I just want to take it easy, not do too much, so I'm okay with it. But we are gonna go get a pop now. And then we'll go home, kind of just have a lazy day, maybe like do some cleaning while Waverly's awake, so that way when she's napping I can just have a full relaxing nap time of just doing whatever I want. But let's go ahead and go get a pop. It's slushy. Okay, so where's your purse at? Okay, 1 second, I have to see what's all in here. Is your chapstick in here? Yeah. Okay, with the lid? Okay, we're just gonna put it on the ground, okay? Yeah, you can have it once we get back in, okay? You have to put your coat on. Can you what?
My purse.
Okay.
What's in my purse?
Arm. Move.
What's in my purse?
We have to put your coat on. It's cold outside.
I got in my purse.
Okay, first let's get your coat on.
I got in my purse.
Arm.
I got in my purse.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Oh,
Okay.
right here.
Okay, 1 second. This side. Other arm. Left arm. Oh, straighten it. Oh, can you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. How about we leave it and you can get it next? Okay, you cannot touch anything.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, you're undeniable.
Okay, so I was going to just kind of sit and relax with Waverly when we first got home, but I came home in the house. Okay, just a second and I'll turn one on for you. I was going to kind of relax with Waverly for a little bit, and then my house stinks from our meal that we made last night, and I can't handle it. So we're going to get that cleaned up, get the house smelling better, and then honestly, by the time I probably get done with that, it'll be time to get lunch ready. So we'll do lunch, and then we'll probably just relax for the hour that Waverly is still awake, and then we'll put her down at 1. So let's go ahead and get this house tidied really quick. It shouldn't take us too long. I just have like a few things that I need to take care of. So let's go ahead and get started.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago.
So I started out just by cleaning off all the counters, wiping them down, and now I'm going ahead and tackling the dishes. I went ahead and cleaned Waverly's bib and tray, and then I loaded up the dishwasher, had a hand wash a few more things, and then we will move on into cleaning another space. But the house wasn't really too dirty. We just were doing a light tidy up on this day, which was really nice. I wasn't having to do too much, honestly, especially on a Friday.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty.
And I'm going ahead and just cleaning out the sink really quick, and then after I'd gotten all this done, I had remembered that I wanted to clean out the microwave because the day before this I was making Waverly oatmeal and it like exploded out of her bowl onto the like plate that's in there. And normally I'll just like wipe it up quick and then it's like not even a big deal, but I got busy and I guess just didn't do it. So I wanted to get that done because I don't like my microwave to get really too messy, because then it just becomes too much of a pain to like clean it. And so if I just keep up on it regularly, then it's really easy. So I just went ahead and wiped that down really quick, and then I was able to just move on to the next thing really fast. And then we needed to dump the garbage too because it was full.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And And my heart's beating fast when it's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that it moves and the way that it laughs, so I can't get enough. Think about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all.
Moving on into the living room, it really wasn't messy at all. We just had to straighten up a few things, and then like Waverly's baby and her purse stuff, I just put on the couch because she likes that to just stay by her. So that's what I went ahead and did.
And I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter.
Okay, so it's like 12:15. I'm gonna go ahead and get lunch ready for Waverly and I. For me, I'm just gonna have these leftovers that we made yesterday. We had rice, and then we kind of do it different every time. Sometimes we'll do a pork loin, and then like we'll just sometimes do like sliced chicken. We did it shredded, but it kind of doesn't look like that awesome right now. But it's just black beans. You do a can of like diced tomatoes with green chilies, tomato sauce. There's also like this salsa thing you can, I don't know the brand. But what? I don't know what you're saying. You're funny. But yeah, it's really good. We usually add peas in it, but we forgot to get those. But overall, it's a really yummy, pretty easy meal. Waverly is hit or miss with rice, and yesterday she didn't eat it a ton, so I'm not gonna have her eat this today. I'm gonna give her something else that I know she'll eat. But I'm gonna go ahead and warm this up, and then I think for Waverly, we need to go get groceries. Like, we're getting groceries today or tomorrow. Yeah, don't jump on your bed. Yeah, no. But we're getting groceries today or tomorrow, so I might. We have other leftovers she could have, but I don't know if she'll actually eat them. So I think I might give her either chicken nuggets or a quesadilla. We'll see what she would rather. Hey Waverly, do you want a cheese quesadilla or chicken nuggets with fries? You tell what she had said in that last clip. It definitely was her trying to say cheese quesadilla, and the thing that's weird is like I kept like asking her what she wanted, and I figured it was a cheese quesadilla. But like normally she'll actually say it right, but this day she was just not wanting to like talk correct, and so we made her a cheese quesadilla. And then actually after this I think she asked for chicken nuggets too, and I was like, we're having a cheese quesadilla today. But I warmed that up in the microwave, and then I cut her up some carrots, and then once she got done eating I did give her some, I think it was some grapes, or maybe it was an orange. It was grapes or an orange, one of the two. So that was easy, and then I just warmed up mine, and then we'll just finish eating lunch. And then Waverly it was like a little bit like of time before Waverly was gonna have to go down for bed. So when it got closer to her nap time, I was like, I'm gonna get the laundry out of the dryer, and then when she goes down for her nap, I'll hurry and fold it and put away. Well, she wanted to help me fold it. She always does. So we went ahead and folded that, and then I tried to put her down for a nap. She didn't really want to go to sleep, which is weird because lately she's been really good about sleeping. So I think it was just maybe we didn't do enough in the morning. Since we didn't go clean it this day, she wasn't moving around as much. So I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and eat lunch and fold the laundry.
If you want, I can be a fighter. If you want, all the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want. be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want.
Something else that I've been needing to do for such a long time is clean out my tin coat vacuum. So what I went ahead and did once Waverly attempted to take her nap and was just kind of having quiet time laying down, was I cleaned it out, and I feel like I do a really thorough clean like every other month, and then like once a month I just like lightly clean out the filter and things like that. So this time I was doing more of a thorough clean. I needed to take the filter out, and then I have like a little machine that like you put it on your vacuum and then twist it, and it kind of like sucks all the air, like dust particles. So I did that, and then I wanted to like wash everything, so I went ahead over here. I do this so often, and you'd think I would remember how to take this bottom part out, but every time it takes me forever to figure out how to open it. It's kind of funny watching me struggle do that. But then I needed to clean this roller brush on my vacuum. It was so dirty, so much hair. Luckily I have this nice tool that just cuts all the hair, so it makes it so much easier to clean out my vacuum when it's like this. So it makes it a little bit more manageable for sure. But I definitely notice when it's time to clean out my vacuum when it's just not wanting to pick up anything, and I don't mind having to do this every like once a month, just cleaning out the filter, and then every month really doing a thorough clean. Like that doesn't really bother me, especially for just the convenience of having it be like cordless and everything. It's just so nice. But once I got all of that cleaned, I went ahead and washed most of them with water, and then I didn't know if I could get this like all the way wet, so I just used like a damp cloth and took it out, and then I did like use just water. I didn't use soap on anything, and I washed the outside of my vacuum and just kind of cleaned all of the different areas. I just didn't want to like accidentally put water on something like the dustbin where there's like wires and ruin it, so I just always use a washcloth. It's not perfectly clean, but it gets it for the most part. But that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I would love to have you subscribe so you never miss any more of my videos. I post videos every single Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Thank you guys again for being here, and I will see you guys all in my very next video. Bye!
If you want. To say yeah, I wanna now. Yeah. I told him I can be a fighter.